Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss the fundamental principles of Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is an incredibly powerful tool that can be used to create and edit images of all kinds. Whether you are a professional photographer, graphic designer, or just someone who likes to play around with images, understanding the principles of Photoshop is essential to creating beautiful and compelling images. So, without further ado, let's dive into the principles of Photoshop. Foundation of Photoshop. They allow you to separate your image into individual components, which can be edited independently of one another. When working with layers, it is essential to understand the layer stack and how to manipulate individual layers. The layer stack is a visual representation of all the layers in your image, with the top layer being the most visible, and the bottom layer being the least visible. You can manipulate individual layers by selecting them from the layer stack and then applying various adjustments, filters, and effects to them. Masks are another important principle of Photoshop. Masks allow you to selectively apply adjustments, filters, and effects to specific areas of your image. Masks work by creating a layer mask, which is a grayscale image that determines the visibility of the layer it is applied to. Areas in the mask that are white are visible, while areas that are black are hidden. Areas of your image for editing or manipulation. Selections can be made using a variety of tools, such as the lasso, magic wand, or marquee tool. Once you have made a selection, you can apply various adjustments, filters, and effects to the selected area. Selections can also be used to copy and paste specific areas of your image or to create a new layer from the selected area. Adjustment layers are a non-destructive way to apply various adjustments and filters to your image. Adjustment layers work by creating a separate layer that applies a specific adjustment or filter to the layers below it. This allows you to make changes to your image without permanently altering the original image data. Adjustment layers can be used to adjust the brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, and many other aspects of your image. If you're interested in learning more about Photoshop, be sure to check out our online courses. Our courses cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques, and our instructors are experienced professionals who can help you master Photoshop. We offer a range of courses, including photo editing, graphic design, and web design. Visit our website to learn more and enroll in our courses today. Filters are a fun and easy way to apply creative effects to your images. Photoshop comes with a wide variety of filters that you can apply to your images, from simple effects like blurring and sharpening to more complex effects like distortions and stylizations. Filters can be applied to individual layers or to the entire image, and you can adjust the intensity of the filter to achieve the desired. Blending modes are another powerful tool in Photoshop that allow you to blend two or more layers together to create a unique effect. Blending modes work by changing the way that the pixels in one layer interact with the pixels in another layer. There are several blending modes to choose from, each of which produces a different effect. Some blending modes are more subtle, while others are more dramatic. In conclusion, understanding the fundamental principles of Photoshop is essential to creating beautiful and compelling images. Whether you are a professional photographer, graphic designer, or just someone who likes to play around with images, mastering these principles will help you take your work to the next level. We hope you found this video informative and that it has helped you better understand the principles of Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more photography and design tutorials. Thank you for watching.